Hey guys, this is Elisa with WTI. It's that time of the day where I'm craving something sweet, something comforting, and I went for this tea that is delicious. A good friend of mine introduced me to this Chai Rooibos tea. It's delicious and I love the ingredients. I really appreciate the cinnamon bark, the ginger root, and the clove. These are full of antioxidants. I love the simplicity on how you prepare it. You just boil the water, you throw the tea back in your cup and you let it sit with the boiled water. You can give so much variety to yogi tea. You can either drink it alone, you can choose to cool it down and add some ice. You can add a little bit of honey, or you can just add a little bit of milk of your choice, which is also delicious. I vary the way I drink it. It all depends on how I feel, but I know that anyway, you will enjoy it as well. I love yogi teas because I love all their natural ingredients. I chose this one because it's caffeine-free. It's very soothing. I love the flavors, but that's just my point of view.